Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to repair Apex Legends on Steam if your game is crashing, not launching, or having errors. So first, let's get out of Apex here. Next, what we have to do is open up Steam. Once we're here on Steam, go to your library and find your Apex Legends. What you have to do next is right click, go to Properties, and once you're in Properties, click on Installed Files. What you have to do next is click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will start scanning your Apex Legends files and automatically re-download anything that's missing or corrupted. This process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and system. Once it's finished, close the properties and rerun your Apex Legends. This method solves most common issues without needing to reinstall the entire game. And that's it. That is how to repair Apex Legends on Steam.